Hey everybody, welcome to Wade's Weekly Update. I, of course, am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans here in the Middle Tennessee Mt Juliet market. And today is March 10th, 2014, and I'm here to tell you about what's going on in the real estate and mortgage market here in this Middle Tennessee area. So today is a beautiful day. I know a lot of you also experienced the nice weekend we had this past week. I know that it's getting a lot of buyers off the fence because I dealt with a lot of phone calls over this weekend, people looking for houses and trying to make offers. So that's awesome. As you guys know, I'm always available to help you when you're out looking at houses or trying to figure out what's going on or what a payment would be. And as you're out looking and need help, give me a shout. I'm always trying to make myself available for you. So the weather today is going to be up in the high 60s, so we might be turning the corner. I know spring's right around the corner. I keep talking about the weather and how it's really going to affect how many buyers and sellers are out there. So I'm seeing that it's really starting to break, and but the real estate market is really picking up thanks to that weather. We had a little hitch last week with the snow and all, but we got past that, and it's sunny again today. So I wanted to hit on, first of all, a little bit on interest rates and kind of what's going on with the Ukraine and Russia is having a little bit of effect on interest rates right now. Essentially, if there's a chance, it's really hard to say, but basically if there's turmoil over there and they go to war, it will affect what happens to our interest rates. And if they go to war, we will probably see a drop in the interest rates. Not a guarantee or anything like that, but that's basically what's going to happen. So what happened last week, it looked like things were escalating. Our interest rates dropped, and then everything kind of came to a halt, and they jumped right back up to where they were. So finally, I wanted to hit on Wade's 5 easy steps for a purchase pre-approval, and we are on step 4, which is actually meet with your lender and discuss what your options are. So through all the things that we've talked about in the first 3 steps there, your lender should have all the documentation, information, everything that they need to determine where you qualify for, what you qualify for, and how much house you should be looking for. The one main thing on this point I can tell you is if you have the opportunity to meet with your lender face-to-face, please do that. Always try to meet with them face-to-face and see, it just makes for a better relationship and understanding really what's going on in the process. I would honestly warn you that if your lender is not open to meeting with you face-to-face, you might want to reconsider what you're doing. So again, last step is to meet with your lender, find out what your options are, what you qualify for, and really discuss the process, and if at all possible, do that face-to-face. So again, I'm Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans, and if there's ever anything I can do for you, just give me a shout. 615-335-3356. Feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. Thanks a lot. Everybody have a great week. Bye-bye.